Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this delicious coronation chicken. I'll make a start by cooking my 2 chicken breasts and I'll cover them in cold water. Add a pinch of salt to the water and some ground black pepper. I'll turn the heat up so it reaches boiling point and then turn the heat down to a simmer. So after 20 minutes my chicken breasts are cooked right through and I'll leave them to one side to cool down. Once cold, I'm going to chop them up into thin slices. To a bowl, I'll add a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and I'll go in with 2 teaspoons of curry powder. And I'll give the spices a quick stir together before adding mayonnaise. And I'll go in with 2 heaped tablespoons of mango chutney. And I'll give that a good stir. And I'll add a couple of big handfuls of sultanas. And I'll stir in a pinch of salt. Then I'll stir in the shredded chicken. Add some crispy lettuce to bread and this makes a delicious sandwich. Be very generous with the filling. I hope you've enjoyed today's simple but tasty recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Leave me a comment and thumbs up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.